Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of changing the charging pin on your CreatorPro M16. Before we begin, ensure you have the necessary tools at hand: a small Phillips screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Let's dive right in. First, power off your CreatorPro M16 and unplug it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back panel of the device. There are typically 4 screws. Make sure to place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel. You may encounter some resistance, so take your time to avoid damaging any clips. As you open the device, you'll notice some dust inside. It's a good practice to clean this area before proceeding. Use the isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth to wipe away any debris. A clean workspace will help you see better and work more efficiently. Now, locate the charging pin assembly within the device. It's usually situated near the power port. Carefully inspect the current pin for any signs of wear or damage. If it looks worn out, it's time to replace it. To remove the old charging pin, use your tweezers to gently pull it out from its socket. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you find it difficult to pull out, you can softly wiggle it while pulling, but ensure you're applying minimal force. Once the old pin is removed, grab your new charging pin. Align it with the socket and gently push it in until you hear a click. This indicates that it is securely in place. If you don't have the tools or a new pin readily available, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, along with pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can skip the hassle of traveling and get expert help right at your doorstep. After inserting the new pin, it's essential to double-check the connection. Gently tug on it to ensure it's secure. Next, it's time to reassemble your CreatorPro M16. Place the back panel back onto the device and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling. Before you power it back on, take a moment to clean any remaining dust inside the device one last time. A clean device not only works better but also lasts longer. Now, plug in your CreatorPro M16 and power it on. Test the charging function to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to understand any potential costs before committing to a service. In conclusion, changing the charging pin on your CreatorPro M16 is a straightforward process when done carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can accomplish this task efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.